Hello, what's up, guys? If you're finding the best new stylish Seiko watches for men based on specifications, you're in the right place. All the watches buying links were given in the video description. Please subscribe my channel for more new upcoming videos. Number 8. Seiko Presage SPB045J1 watch. Case diameter 40.5 millimeters. Case thickness 10 millimeters. Band material crocodile leather. Band width 20 millimeters. Band color white. Dial color white. Movement Japanese quartz. Movement type automatic with manual winding. Precision plus 25 to negative 15 seconds per day. Power reserve approximately 45 hours. Joules 29. Functions: date hand, power reserve indicator, stop seconds hand function, date display, lug to lug 47.8 millimeters, crystal dual curved sapphire crystal, crystal coating, anti-reflective coating on inner surface, band material crocodile leather, clasp threefold clasp with push button release, distance between lugs 20. Number 7. Seiko Prospex Alpinist watch SPB121J1. Case diameter 39.5 millimeters. Case thickness 13.2 millimeters. Band width 20 millimeters. Dial color green. Item weight 2 grams. Caliber 6R35. Movement 24 joules. Made in Japan. Rotating compass inner ring. Power reserve approximately 70 hours. Second-hand halt mechanism, hacking. Cyclops lens. Sapphire crystal with anti-reflection coating. Screw-down crown. Item shape, round. Dial window material type, sapphire crystal. Display type, analog. Clasp, push-button fold-over clasp with safety. Case material, stainless steel case diameter, 39.5 millimeters. Number 6. Seiko Astron SSH109J1. Display type, analog. Swiss made, no. Water resistance, 20 bar. Dive. Dial color, blue. Hand colors, white. Case information diameter, 42.7 millimeters. Case thickness, 14 millimeters. Case material, titanium. Case color, bicolor. Back case material, titanium. Back case screwed case back. Material crystal sapphire. Crown, pull crown. Display type, analog. Mechanism, solar quartz. Battery rechargeable, battery. Battery life, 6 months. Strap material, titanium. Suitable for wrist size 165 millimeters to 220 millimeters. Clasp type, deployment clasp with push buttons. Strap width, 21 millimeters. Lug width, 21 millimeters. Strap color, silver. Straight strap mount, yes. Number 5. Seiko Prospex watch SPB153J1. Caliber number 6R35. Movement type automatic with manual winding capacity. Accuracy plus 25 to minus 15 seconds per day. Case material stainless steel, super hard coating. Crystal curved sapphire. Crystal coating. Anti-reflective coating on inner surface. Lumabrite on hands, indexes, and bezel. Band material, silicone. Water resistance, 200 meters. 660 feet. Divers. Case size, thickness, 13.2 millimeters. Diameter, 42.7 millimeters. Length, 46.6 millimeters. Other specifications. Screw case back. Screw down crown. 3-fold clasp with secure lock. Unidirectional rotating bezel, 24 joules. Date display. Stop second-hand function. Number 4. Seiko Presage SPB221J1 watch. Model Presage automatic black dial stainless steel men's watch. Dial color black. Movement automatic. Case material steel. Bracelet material steel. Gender men's watch unisex. Price USD $1,039. Case size 42.2 millimeter diameter. 13.7 millimeter thickness. Case material stainless steel. Super hard coating. Dial description GMT. Dial type analog. Glass sapphire crystal. Band description stainless steel. Band type bracelet. Buckle folding clasp. Water resistance 100 meters. Style automatic GMT. Number 3. Seiko Prospex Diver SPB143J1. Movement caliber number 6R35. Movement type automatic with manual winding. Precision plus 25 seconds to minus 15 seconds per day. Power reserve approximately 70 hours. Joules 24. Functions stop secondhand function. Date display case band material stainless steel. Super hard coating. Case size thickness 13.2 millimeters. Diameter 40.5 millimeters. Lug to lug 47.6 millimeters. Crystal coating. Anti-reflective coating on inner surface. Lumibrite on hands, indexes, and bezel. Clasp 3-fold clasp with secure lock. Push button release with extender. Distance between lugs 20. Water resistance 200 meters, 660 feet. Divers. Weight 180 grams. Feature unidirectional rotating bezel. Screw down crown. 3-fold clasp with secure lock. Screw case back. Number 2. Grand Seiko Spring Drive 20th and Nissan GTR 50th anniversary. SBGC229. Dial window material type anti-reflective sapphire. Display type analog. Clasp buckle. Case material high-intensity titanium. Case diameter 46.4 millimeters. Case thickness 16.6 millimeters. Band material leather. Band color white. Dial color white. Bezel material black ceramic. Calendar date. Special features limited edition of 200 pieces. Movement mechanical spring drive movement. Water resistance depth 100 meters. Number 1. Seiko SSH109J1. Presage ice blue watch. Dial window material type scratch resistant hardlex. Display type analog. Clasp tang buckle. Case material 40.5 millimeters. Case diameter 40.5 millimeters. Case thickness 14.37 millimeters. Band material cow steer. Band width 20 millimeters. Band color black. Dial color silver. Calendar date. Item weight 5.2 ounces. Movement automatic. Water resistance depth 50 meters.